everybody, I hope you're all doing well. I am outside today because it is Earth Day. Can everybody say Happy Earth Day? So today we celebrate our beautiful planet, which is where we live. So I know today is Space Day, so think about outer space for a minute. So in outer space, there are all these different planets. They kind of look like bouncy balls. And we live on the planet called Earth. And Earth is a very special planet because it's the only one people live on. And we not only live on it, but animals live on it, and so do all different kinds of plants. So we have to take care of and love Earth. So I'm going to show you a picture of Earth. So this is Earth, E-A-R-T-H. And look at beautiful Earth. So Earth has some green spots on it, and those green spots are land. Think about the green grass outside. They're where we can live. So think about the mountains and the grass, parks, meadows. Those are the green parts. And the blue parts is water. So we can't really live in water. So that's where all the fishies and sharks and ocean animals live. So if we look at Earth, it's really mainly water. And then these parts, the white parts, are called the poles of the Earth. And these are very, very cold. So that's why they're white, because of the snow. Because when it's really, really cold, it's icy and snowy. So we are going to talk about some things that are good for Earth and some things that are bad for Earth. So, if something is good for Earth, we are going to do a thumbs up. So if you think it's good for Earth, I want you to do a thumbs up. If you think it's bad for Earth, I want you to do a thumbs down. So think about green and red choices. When it's a green choice, thumbs up. When it's a red choice, thumbs down. So let's get started in our little sort. So let's look at the first thing. The first thing says turning off the lights when I leave a room. So do you think that's a green choice to turn off the lights when you leave the room, or a red choice? So it's actually a green choice to turn off the lights when you leave the room, because lights, they're powered by something called electricity. That's a really big word. Can you say that? Electricity. It's a big word. And it is how lights turn on and how you can play your games or your TV. They're all powered by something called electricity. And if we leave the lights on when we leave a room, it wastes electricity. And when we waste electricity, we hurt our poor Earth. So it is a good choice when you leave a room to turn the lights off. Or if you're done watching TV, turn the TV off. Don't waste electricity. Love our Earth. All right, so let's look at our next choice. This says driving a car somewhere very close on a pretty day. So do you see this little stuff right here? It's gray. So actually, when you drive cars, sometimes yucky stuff comes out. And that yucky stuff is called pollution. That's a big word too. Can you say pollution? I know, a lot of big words today. So pollution hurts our Earth. So when we drive cars a lot, it can actually hurt our Earth. So think about your next door neighbor's house. Do you think it's easier to drive or walk? You may think it's easier to drive, but when you walk, you help the Earth because you're not having this yucky stuff come out of your car. So it's better to walk or ride your bike to close places. All right, let's look at our next one. This one says planting and taking care of trees and plants. Red choice or green choice? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I love this. It's a green choice. So when we plant things like big trees or little plants, look, Miss Klein has a little plant right here. I planted that myself. It was seeds and it turned into a beautiful green plant. 'Cause. 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 ' plants, trees, and other different kinds of plants, we're making Earth more beautiful. And that's loving Earth, so that's a green choice. Look at that tree right there. Isn't it beautiful? All right, we're gonna take a break real quick. All right, I wanna see if you guys can remember this. Can you show me your tree roots? Right at the bottom. Good job. Your roots are down here at your feet. Can you show me your trunk? Show me your tree trunks. Right, they're right here in the middle. All right. Now, can you show me your branches? Yeah, your branches are up here. And where are your leaves? Your leaves are at the end of your branches. Good job, guys. You are rock stars. All right. So let's do our last couple of ones. So this one says cutting down trees. Do you think that's a green choice or a red choice? What did we just say about planting things? So cutting down trees or hurting plants is a red choice because it hurts our beautiful Earth. So let's try not to do that, okay? All right. What about riding our bike to close places? Do you think that's a green choice or a red choice? Think about what we said about what happens when we drive cars. Sometimes that yucky stuff comes out. It's a green choice. So it's actually good to ride your bike to close places because you aren't polluting or having that yucky stuff come out of your car and hurt the earth. All right, let's look at our last one. This says leaving the light on when you leave a room. So think about what we said in the beginning. Is it a green choice or a red choice to leave the lights on or leave the TV on when you're finished? It's a red choice because it wastes electricity. So today I want you to think about all those green choices you can make. Comment down below if you can make a green choice today. What green choice are you gonna make to love our earth? Because we love our earth so much. Look at how beautiful it is. All right, I hope you liked our little sort today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Miss Klein loves and misses all of you so much. Mwah.